Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today for another tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at Aiarty's Video Enhancer. This program is supposed to enhance the look and quality of any sort of video using the power of AI. So this is just the interface that you're looking at right now, where it'll allow you to insert a video, generate video details, and it uses the power of your graphics processor or any sort of processor you have on your computer or laptop, depending on how powerful it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a video by clicking on the big giant plus sign here, and then I'm just going to get a video from my camera roll, and for example I'm just going to use this, let's see, this 16-second video, and it's like in a AVI format, so we're just going to click on it and then it's going to generate a preview. So AI inference is required, so we're going to preview that, and then it's going to download AI models. Now, depending on the speed of your computer, this may take some time. Also, your processing speed may play a factor into it, or just the fact that you may have an older computer. Sometimes it may not work for you. My computer is fairly old, so it should be able to load it properly. So we're just going to just let the AI models download, and then we are going to get started here. I'm just going to pause this for a second. So once we've downloaded the AI models here, it's going to just allow us to zoom out and zoom in. So it's going to show us a side-by-side comparison between the AI models, and also it can also allow you to do a side-by-side split. So we're going to drag that here and see what we have here. So we're just going to play this video back.
Hey guys, this is November vlog number 9. Sorry I didn't film this.
This looks terrible. Look at the lighting here. It's so dark. This was obviously from many years ago. I filmed this in my old house, but the inference has completed, and look, it enhanced it a little bit there, just a little bit there. Look, the lighting's a little bit better, and then this is about 25 frames per second. So we're just gonna play it back here.
I was busy with a lot of stuff, so hope you guys are doing well.
All right, so I think what's going on is that while it plays back, it doesn't really show the preview, and it auto starts inference. Okay, so I mean, from the looks of it here, it looks really good. I think this is just a preview that we're showing. So this is the before side, and this is the after side. So there is an edit option here, so we're going to go into edit, and then it's just going to wait for inference. Let's just not start the inference right now, so we're just going to wait for that. Alright, so what it will allow us to do, I mean, it looks a little bit better here. I think there's a way that we can adjust the contrast. There's operate. Oh, you can flip it. Okay, so this flips around here. So we're just going to look at the multiple tracks here. We're going to do an audio denoise, and here's a voice filter, and then you can set it to whoever you like. So we're just going to see how it looks. Let's just play it back here.
Don't have a topic today, I just wanted to update just to keep the flow going, but it was a really good Sunday, and I'm just playing some video games right now to relax. So
yeah, I always play video games to relax. I never stopped. Man, I had a lot of hair back then. But anyways, it shows you the hardware details, so you can select your CPU or your GPU for faster results. So I think what I'll do here is I will select my GPU once the inference is done. We're just going to 1 hour later. So when you click export current, it takes about an hour for my computer to export the video, but I was able to do it, and then I will show you the exported file. So I had to do another video because there was an issue with it, so I used a different video than what was on the previous video, but the whole process worked without a charm, the whole process worked like a charm, and I had no problems there. So it exported it to a smoother 1080p format, so we're just going to double click here. It'll save into your output folder, whereas Aiarty video output. So we're just going to click on it and open the video, and then I'll show you what it looks like here. So it was basically a very faint light, like very faint here, but then this is the exported video, and it shows it. The contrast looks great, it's all smoothed out, and there's no issue with audio. So we're just going to turn up the audio a bit here, and then we're just going to go back here. So we're going to play it back.
I also forgot to answer a follow-up question by Noodlers.
Yeah, so I knew some guy named Noodlers and answered his question. But everything looks good. The video has been upscaled properly. So mind you, this is a 15-second clip, and it took an hour and 30 minutes to render because it's a whole new setting and AI was just reconfiguring it. But the process and the results look good. So I did the same things that you saw on the other video, and then I went to export, and then this was the result. It was a really good result, and it does what it's supposed to do. So this works. I highly recommend it, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.